How to set up and solve a simple equation using the balance. So we'll go to algebra and scroll down, get a balancing scales out. Now we need some algebra tiles, so I'm going to put x on here. Now I want 2x plus 3 equals 11, so if you want to copy that x, you can press the copy button there. What you can't see that I'm doing is I'm pressing C on my keyboard, but make sure you do not have the caps lock on, because that didn't seem to work on my Mac. There's there. And the other way is to hold down Alt or Option on a Mac, hold that down and drag to the right. Now I need some numbers, so I'm going to go to here and get some number cards. So I'm going to do 2x plus 3 on this side. Now I want to balance that with 11 on the other side, so I'm going to make an 11 card and pop that on there. Now at the moment they're not balanced, so what I'll have to do is click on the middle here and say balance. From here on in, whatever I do will bring it in or out of balance. So first thing I'm going to do is add a -3 to both sides, so I make a -3 card. I'm just going to copy that. So I'm going to put one on this side, out of balance, and bring it back in balance. Those make a 0 pair, so I'm going to click on that and press backspace on my keyboard to get rid of it. Combine those two to get 8. So I've got 2x equals 8. I now want to split into 2 equal groups because I'm going to get rid of one of them. So I need to split the 8 into 2 equal groups. So I get a 4 and make a copy. And what I'm going to do is click on the 8 and backspace on my keyboard to get rid of it. Put those 2 4s up here and put them on there, back in balance. Now I need to clear out half of this, so I'm clicking on the X and then I'm holding down the Shift on my keyboard while I grab the other thing I want to include in that group, and then I'm going to remove it and press backspace. So I've now got X in balance with 4, X equals 4, and I've solved it. So that's basically it. It also works with simultaneous if you've got 2 sets of balances.